Welcome back to English Rice Talk, the place where learning English become easy, simple and enjoyable. Today's topic is something that millions of people struggle with every single day, something that scares even fluent English speakers. And that topic is speaking without preparation in English. Yes, speaking English without preparing, planning, without writing notes, without memorizing, without practicing the exact lines. Many people think it's impossible. Many think it's a dangerous. Many things they will make mistakes, get judged or get embarrassed. But here on English Rice Talk, I will show you step by step in very simple English how you can speak confidently even when you have a no preparation, because real life does not give us time to prepare. Real life give us moments, and in these moments your confidence, your mindset and your simple communication skill matter more than perfect grammar. This script is going to be your complete guided. By the end of it you will know how to speak instantly when someone asks you something in English, how to think in English naturally, how to avoid fear even when you don't know the exact words, how to continue talking without stopping, and how to communicate like a confident English speaker, not a hesitant learner. So sit back, relax, and let's start this journey with English Rice Talk. Let's understand the root of the problem. Many people are not afraid of English, they are afraid of judgment. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if I people laugh at me? What if I forget the words? What if I speak slowly? If my grammar is wrong? This thought stop the mouth from moving. And this fear is a bigger when we have no preparation. But here is the truth that nobody tells you. Truth number one: everyone speak without preparation. Native speaker do it, teachers do it. You do it in your own language. Speaking is not a scripted performance, it's a natural. Truth number two: communication is more important than perfection. People don't care if your grammar is perfect. They care is they understand you. Truth number three: mistakes make you a human, not weak. Imagine a person who tries to speak perfect English. Every word they say is calculated. Their mind is worried all at the time. That is not confidence. Confidence is when you speak fairly, even if imperfect. And on English Rise Talk, we remind that you confidence comes from courage, not perfection. Before you learn techniques, you need a mindset change. If your mind is tense, your English becomes tenses. If your mind is relaxed, your English become relaxed. So what mindset do you need to speak freely? It's okay to be imperfect. You don't need to speak like a Hollywood actor. You just need to express your ideas clearly. English is not my mother tongue, and that's fine. You are learning, you are improving. You do not need to compare yourself with native speaker. I can speak with the words I already know. You don't need difficult vocabulary to talk. You need courage to start speaking. Speaking is the skill of not a talent. Skill improve with practice, not by silence. The moment you accept this mindset, your journey changes. English Rice Talk is here to push you into that mindset of freedom and confidence. Now let's go practical. The biggest reason people freeze while speaking is because they translate in their mind. Translation takes time. Thinking in English saves time. How to think in English? Start with the small sentence. Instead of translating, I am going to the market. Train your mind to think. Going to market, short, simple, natural. Use simple words. Don't search for fancy vocabulary. Use the word you already know. Example, instead of saying I need to communicate an important concerns, just say I want to talk about something important. Accept pauses. Even native speakers pause. Pauses show you are thinking, not falling. Use filters like lets me think. What I mean is okay. So these filters give your mind time to create with the next sentence. Focus on ideas, not grammar. When you speak without a preparation, ideas matter more than grammar. Example, if you don't remember the past tense, don't stop, just continue with the present tense. People will stay understand you. English Rise Talk always teaches this. Speak words, improve later. Now let's learn practical method you can use today. There are three powerful techniques. Technique number one, the start anywhere method. When someone asks you something in English, don't search for the perfect first time. Just start with the one easy sentence. Example, question, tell me something about yourself. Answer, okay. I will start simple. Question, what do you think about this script and topic? Answer, let me share my first thought. Question, can you explain this? Answer, sure, I will try to explain in simple words. These opening lines give your brain permission to speak. Technique number two, the stretch your sentence method. Start with the simple sentence, then stretch it the small details. Example, simple sentence, I like traveling. Stretch it. I traveling, it's make me happy. I enjoy seeing new place. I learn new things. Whenever I travel, I feel fresh and excited. From 3 words to 30 words instantly. You didn't prepare, you didn't think. You just stretch. This method works for any topic. Technique number 3. 3 point speaking formula. If you don't know what to say, use this formula. First, start with your opinion. Second, give a reason. And third, add an example. Example topics, importance of exercise. Opinion, I think exercise is very important. Reason, because it keeps our body and mind active. Example, for example, even 20 minutes of walking can improve energy. No preparation needed, but it sound clean and confident. English Rise Talk always recommended this formula. For spontaneous speaking, sometimes you start speaking but suddenly stop. Your mind becomes blank. You forget the next word. This is a completely normal. Here's how to continue smoothly. Method 1. Repeat your last idea in different ways. Example, I believe in English important. What I mean is, English helps us connect with more people. Method number 2. Add a small personal example. If your mind stop at a story. Example, I feel nervous while speaking. For example, last week I had a talk in a meeting without preparation. Method number 3. Use a connector. Word like also. Another thing is, let me add one more point. These connectors keep the flow alive. Confidence is not loudness. Confidence is the clarity. To sound confident, slow down. First speaking, nervous speaking, slow speaking, confident speaking. Use simple English. Simple English is a strong English. Complex English is a confusing. Keep your tone natural. Don't try to sound like a someone else. Be yourself. Smile while speaking. A smile relaxes your mind and improves your voice. End sentence properly. Don't leave sentence hanging. Finish them clearly. English Rise Talk believes confident is a skill You build slowly, not instantly. Many English learners panic when someone suddenly asks, "Can you speak for 1 minute on this topic?" But speaking for 1 2 minutes is actually very easy if you follow the topic expression formula. Here is it. Topic expression formula. First, start with a simple introduction. Second, add 2 and 3 easy points. Third, add one example or story. Fourth, end with the small conclusion. Let's practice with the some topics you may face. Example 1. Topic time management. Intro. Time management is the very important in everyone's lives. Point number 2. It's help us finish our work on time. Point 2. It's reduce stress and make life easier. Example. For example, I started planning my day using a small notebook. I helped me complete my task faster. So I believe good time management can change your life. That's it. No preparation, no complex words, just simple, clean communication. This is the what English Rise Talk always teaches. Speak with clarity, not complexity. My favorite hobby. Intro. My favorite hobby is listening to music. Point number 1. Music relax my mind. Point number 2. It's help me focus. For example, when I feel stress, I play soft music and it calms me instantly. Overall, music is an important part of life, easy and natural. Example 3 topic the importance of reading. Intro. Reading is a very important for personal growth. Point number 1. It's improve your knowledge. Point number 2. It's make our imagination strong. For example, whenever I read self improvement books, I get new ideas. So reading is the great helps everyone should develop. With this formula, you can speak any topic instantly without memorizing or preparing. Here is a powerful rule that helps you speak without hesitation. The 5-second rule. When someone asks you something in English, respond with 5 seconds, not 10 seconds, not 20 seconds, not let me think for 2 minutes, just 5 seconds, because the more time you take, the more nervous you become. Your mind start thinking in English correct. What if I say something wrong? What if they judge me? But when you start speaking quickly, your brain has no time to stress. It's focus on communication, not perfection. This rule is highly used by confident speakers worldwide, and on English Rise Talk will strongly recommended practicing it. How to use 5-second rules when someone asks, "What is your plan for today?" Start immediately. Okay, so today I am planning to finish some work, or let me think. Yes, today I want to relax and watch a movie. Start talking. Then the flow comes naturally. When you speak without preparation, you don't always get perfect grammar. That's normal. But here are simple sentence structure you can use instantly. I want to. Use it when thinking about your desires. Example, I want to learn English better. I want to improve my speaking skill. I think. Use it. Use it when sharing your opinion. I think this topic is important. I think everyone should practice daily. I feel. Use it to express emotion. I feel nervous while speaking sometimes. I feel happy when I talk to new people. For example, use the extend your ideas. For example, last week I joined a meeting. In my opinion, used to sound nature and confidence. In my opinion, simple English is better than complicated English. This sentence starter help to you speak continuously, even with little vocabulary. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers. Then the important thing is how you react. Here is what confident speaker do. They keep speaking even after mistakes. If you say something wrong, don't stop. just continue sentence. They connect themselves politely. Example, I go to market yesterday. Sorry, I want to market yesterday. This shows confidence, not weakness. They use substitute words. If you forget a words, replace a with simpler one. Example, instead of responsibility says importance works. Instead of environment says surrounding. Communication stays clear. They don't apologize too much. Don't say sorry for small mistake. Just move on. This is how English Rise Talk teaches you to stay confident and natural. You might think, I know only basic English. How can I speak without preparation? Here is the truth. Basic English is enough to start speaking. In fact, more than 70% of daily conversation use basic vocabulary. Here's how to speak using basic English. Use short sentence. Today was good. I went for a walk. I learning English. Keep your words simple. Use words like do, go, make, take, have, want, need, like. You can express anything with these words. Example, instead of I admire people who are disciplined, just say I like people who follow discipline. Speak slowly. Slowly speaking, clearly speaking. Don't try to impress. Your goal is not to sound like a English teacher. Your goal is to communicate. English right talk always say simple English is a beautiful English. Let's practice real life situation you may face. Situation number one, meeting someone new. They ask, tell me about yourself. You can say, sure, my name is dash dash. I lives in dash dash. I am learning English. I like simple conversation and I enjoy improving my skill every day. Situation number two, at a job interview, they ask, why do you want this job? You can say, I want this job because I like the work. I believe I can learn fast. I want to grow and my best years. Situation 3, in meeting, someone says, what do you think? You can say, in my opinion, this idea is good. I think we can try it. Let me explain why. Situation number 4, talking to a friend. They say, how's was your day? You can say it was good. Finish some work, relax and spend time with my family. Their response are natural, smooth and fairly. Many learners message English Rise Talk saying, I want to speak but I feel completely blank, zero confidence. This chapter will change that. Confidence is something you get before speaking. Confidence is something you develop while speaking. Here are 4 instant confidence booster you can use anywhere. Use the first easy sentence trick. When someone asks you something, always start with very easy sentence. Example, okay, let me think. I will try to explain. I want to share my opinion. Sure, I can talk about this. These simple lines break the fear barrier. Once at the first sentence comes out, the next sentence comes naturally. Stop expecting perfect English. You don't need perfect grammar, big vocabulary, fancy accents. You need courage. If your English is a 50%, speak with 50%. If your English 30%, speak with 30%. If your English is 10%, speak with 10%. Courage is more powerful than fluency. People are not judging you. Most people don't care about your English level. They care about your message. If they understand your ideas, then you succeed. Breathe before speaking. Whenever you feel nervous, just take one deep breath. It's relax your mind and calm mind speak better English. English Rise Talk always recommended this before any spontaneous speaking. Your speaking speed depends on your thinking speed. Here is to how think fast in English. Use simple ideas, not complicated ones. Your brain can process simple thoughts faster. Instead of thinking, I want to express the global issue, environmental. pollution. Think I want to talk about pollution. It's a big problem. Don't search for a perfect vocabulary. Use replacement words. Don't know pollution, say dirty air. Don't know discipline, say good habits. You brain save times. Use small sentence blocks. Think like this. Sentence 1, I want to talk about this. Sentence 2, this is the important. Sentence 3, let me share an example. Small blocks build one long conversation. Focus on the main ideas, not the grammar. When you speak without preparation, grammar is not be perfect, and that's okay. Your mind's goal deliver the idea clearly. They will remember your message. When your mind become blank, use the ready-made starter. These are your energy tools. I would like to talk about. Use when starting any topics. The main point is keep the conversation focused. In simple words, your help you explain anything easily. According to me, use for opinions. One good example it adds clarity. Let me share a quick story. Stories always engage people. Another important thing is make your speech longer. I personally believe show confidence. If you ask me, great for interviews. Let me summarize this. Perfect closing line. Practice these lines daily. Your spontaneous speaking will improve immediately. English Right Talk use this almost every English lesson. People love stories, and stories are the easiest way to speak without preparation. Here, how to convert any story into natural English speech. Start with something simple. Let me tell you a short story. Let the situation. This happened last week or this about my childhood. Describe your feelings. I was very nervous. I felt excited. I didn't know what do you. Explain what happened. Tell me main event in 2 and 3 simple lines. End with listen. So I learned that bring confidence is important. So I realized that speaking English needs practice. The method works in meetings, interview, presentation, anywhere. It make you sound confident even without preparation. Let's do real conversation. Practice that you can use in real life. I will give a common question and I will give a simple, spontaneous answer. Why are you learning English? Answer. I am learning English because it's helped me grow. I want to communicate better and improve my future. What it did you do today? Today was simple. I finished some work, spent time with family and relax. What is your biggest strength? My biggest strength is that never give up. I keep trying until the get better. What motivates you? I get motivated when I see myself improving. Even small progress give me a energy. Do you get nervous while speaking? Yes, sometimes, but try. I try to stay calm and speak slowly. The more practice, the better I become. These are real, natural, simple responses, perfect for daily English conversation. Speaking about your day in one of the best exercise for fluency. Here is a simple structure. Start with your morning. I woke up early. I had a tea. Check my phone. Afternoon. In the afternoon, I did some work. Talk to my friend. Evening. In the evening, I relax. I watching something and spend time with family. Had a feeling. It was a peaceful day or it was a busy day. End of the thought. So overall, the day was good. This is the enough to speak 30 to 60 seconds without preparation. English Right Talk always motivate learners to practice daily life. Small moments build big confidence. Confidence is not built in one day. It's built in a small daily moment. Speak English when buying something, when talking to friend, when texting to message, when asking a question, when thinking alone, when watching videos, when explaining. something small. These small efforts build huge confidence over time. Just like a bodybuilder does small reps daily. Must speak small English daily. One sentence today, two sentences tomorrow, five sentences next week. This journey is a continuous and slowly. Speaking without preparation will become a natural part of your life. This is the growth mindset of English Right Talk. Do not pause too much. Do not force yourself. Do not overthink. Let your English flow naturally, like water. Water does not think before flowing. It's move freely, adjust freely, if continues freely. Your English will be the same. If you forget a word, use another. You forget a sentence, simple, speak words. If you get stuck, take a breath and continue. Fluency is not speed, fluency is the flow. When your English flows naturally, people will enjoy listening to you. And this natural flow comes from through practice with confidence. And this is what English Rise Talk stand for. Your journey begins now. You have everything you need: mindset, techniques, confidence building tools, simple English, natural fluency tips, real practice method. Now you must start with journey. Speak daily, practice daily, think in English, use simple sentence, express clearly, remove for fear, build confidence, and speak without preparation. Your voice matters, your message matters, your growth matters. And whenever you need guidance, support, or motivation, English Right Talk is always with you.